Good morning. Good morning, children. Welcomes you all in the science class, chemistry, and today we will go to discuss about the different types of chemical reactions, and it is from the chapter chemical substances and processes. So now in this class we will focus about the different types of chemical reactions. Now, types of chemical reaction that are classified into different types. Chemical reactions that can be classified into different types, and that depends upon the chemical chain that occurring during the chemical reaction. So, due to different types of chemical change occurring during the chemical reaction, the chemical reactions are also of different types. And now see, here is written the different types of chemical reactions. These are combination reactions, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, and neutralization reaction. These are of different types of chemical reactions. What is here? In the first, combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, and neutralization reaction. Today, we will go to discuss about all these different types of chemical reaction one by one. So first we will go to combination reaction. First, we will go to discuss about, study about the combination reaction. Now, see students, here is combination reaction. So now, according to name, we can say that it is a type of chemical reaction in which two or more substances, two or more reactants that combine to form a new substance. Now, combination reaction, it is a type of chemical reaction in which two or more substances that combine to form a new substance. For example, now we are taking hydrogen molecule and oxygen, that is also in the gaseous form. When hydrogen and oxygen, this combines, then it forms water molecule H2O. Water molecule H2O. It is an example of combination reaction because hydrogen and oxygen combines to form water. Let us take another example of the combination reaction. See here, N2. It is nitrogen molecule, hydrogen molecule. When with nitrogen and hydrogen combines, then it forms ammonia. It forms what? Ammonia. So it is also an example of combination reaction. Nitrogen plus hydrogen plus here nitrogen and hydrogen combines to form ammonia. These are two examples of combination reaction. In this way, you can recognize the combination reaction where two or more substances combine to form a new substance. Now, second is decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction, it is a type of chemical reaction in which a substance that decompose, it means breaks down into two or more substances. Decomposition reaction is a type of chemical reaction in which a substance that decompose into two or more substances during this decomposition reaction, during this chemical reaction. Now see here examples of the decomposition reaction. We are taking calcium carbonate. Here is calcium carbonate. When it is heated, calcium carbonate, when it is heated, then it breaks down into calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. It means this substance, calcium carbonate, that breaks down into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. It is an example of decomposition reaction. It means the substance that breaks down into two or more substances. Okay. Now water molecule. We are taking water molecule. Electric current. When electric current pass on water molecule, then this water molecule, it breaks down into hydrogen and oxygen. It is also an example of decomposition reaction. This water molecule, this decompose into hydrogen and oxygen. In this way, both the combination reaction and the decomposition reaction, that I think that it is clear to you all. The next types of chemical reaction, that are displacement reaction and neutralization reaction. So then first we will go to see about the displacement reaction. What is here? Displacement reaction. So now see here students, what is displacement reaction? Displacement reaction, it is a type of chemical reaction in which one element that displaces other from the compound. Displacement reaction, it is a type of chemical reaction in which one element displaces other from the compound. And it will be more clear from the example. See here that we are going to explain. See here, example of one displacement reaction. And what happens here? When we take some iron nails in the aqueous solution of copper sulfate, then it forms iron sulfate solution and copper displacement. What happens? When we take or dip some iron nails in the aqueous solution of copper sulfate, then it forms iron sulfate solution. During this reaction, chemical reaction, it forms iron sulfate solution, and copper that is here in the compound form that displaces copper, that is displaced, and it deposits on the iron nails. The color of copper sulfate solution, that is blue, and after the completion of this reaction, the color of the color changes into green. Do you know why? It turns into green due to formation of iron sulfate that is green in color, and copper that displaced and it deposited on the iron nails. It is an example of what? Displacement reaction. It means iron that displaces. This iron displaces copper, and this copper deposited on the iron nails. Now fourth type of reaction, that is neutralization reaction. Children, here is neutralization reaction, and do you know neutralization reaction is a type of reaction in which acid and base they react to form salt and water. Neutralization reaction, it is a type of chemical reaction in which acid and base both reacts to form salts and water. See here, I am going neutralization reaction. Here acids and base both reacts to form salt and water. It means the properties of acid and base both neutralize each other and forms salt and water. Here is example, see here. Hydrochloric acid. When hydrochloric acid HCl reacts with NaOH sodium hydroxide, when acid HCl reacts with base sodium hydroxide, then it forms sodium chloride salt. It forms sodium chloride salt and water. It means the substances that is formed here as a product, that are sodium chloride and water. In the second example, we are taking sulfuric acid, H2SO4, sulfuric acid. When it reacts with magnesium hydroxide base, MgOH whole 2, it is the formula for the magnesium hydroxide. Then it forms, during the reaction it forms magnesium sulfate, aqueous solution of magnesium sulfate and water. In this way, we see that during the neutralization reaction, acids and base, these take part in the reaction, chemical reaction. It means these are the reactants, and it leads to the formation of salt and water as the protons. So then, in this way, we have discussed above all the types of chemical reaction. You will learn the definition of all the types of chemical reactions, and also try to write some other examples for each type of chemical reaction. Thanks, students. Now it's all over. You will do this.